guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and I'm excited to share with you. I've partnered with the folks from JerkyGent to give you a peek at the unboxing of one of their jerky boxes. And so I wanted to do this review because I think it's hard to find unique quality gift products, especially for men, and I thought that this kind of sounded like one. I did a little research and it looks like they put a lot of time and energy into curating really awesome and unique boxes for jerky lovers. So this box here is the classic box. It ships for around $30 a month, and I believe these are all the products we'll find in here. There should be 4 full-size jerky products in this. They have a smaller box that ships for around $20 a month. I think this is the most popular box, they told me, and so we wanted to take a peek at this one. Wow, these are, I thought they might be more sample size, but these are large, full-size packages of jerky, as you can see. The first one was from Righteous Felon. This one is from Think Jerky, Sweet Chipotle. We did skew ours towards a spicy preference. They ask you about your preferences when you first order your box. This one is a Smokin' Southwestern from Johnny Max. And then the last one in here is from People's Choice, Garlic Ginger. These are really big bags, and I will have to say these look like really high quality, and they also, to me, this is not gas station jerky. This is like top shelf, fancy market type jerky, and really, really neat gift idea, I think. Obviously, I haven't tried these yet, but I feel like they seem like really high quality. When it comes to subscription box, one thing that I've always been really picky about is that they allow you to cancel anytime, which this one does, and that you can skip a month if you need to. And so this also has this option. You can go into your subscription and cancel at any time. They bring new brands and flavors every single month. You can earn free rewards, and I've even got a coupon code to save you money on your first box. So I will leave all of the information down below to help you figure out where to order and the different types and even a coupon code. But I just wanted to unbox this and kind of show you. I think for $30 a month, this is a pretty fantastic gift to send. I mean, you can't even ship something of this weight for under $15 right now. It's just so nice to be able to send a really nice gift like this. So I will include all the information down below. This is the JerkyGent box. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.